Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, yesterday was very special for all the forex traders because of NFP. And as we all know, NFP is important for the crazy volatility. And yes, NFP did not disappoint us. Market was crazy volatile. But yes, if market takes a particular direction after NFP, then it becomes easier for us to trade. But when the data is mixed, we get to see spikes from both the sides, and there's a high chance of being trapped. So dollar rises after August US payrolls report paints mixed picture. Dollar rose in volatile trading on Friday after the data showed US employment grew less than expected in August but indicated only a steady slowdown in the labor market, likely supporting gradual interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Expected number was 160K and the number came around 142K, as a result of which we got to see a big downside on the chart of DXY when the data came out. But surprisingly, DXY recovered immediately. You must be knowing that DXY has a very strong or crucial support at 100.5 and market managed to survive over 100.5. Ultimately close around this particular level here, and the support of 100.5 is still intact. And right now the present range of DXY is 100.5 on the downside and 102 on the upside, and we can expect the market to stay within this range. So there's a high chance that next week, instead of a trending market, we may get to see a sideways or a choppy market, because this will be the range for DXY. And this is the hourly chart of Euro USD in front of us. Last week, Euro USD was trying to recover. We can see Euro USD was more or less bullish after this downtrend here. But in this particular portion of the market, we can see that there was craziness, and it was due to NFP. And right now, it will be difficult to understand whether Euro USD will be going up or going down. Because if DXY remains within the range of 100.5 and 102, then it will be sideways. If that happens, then there's a high chance that instead of a clean upside on Euro USD, we may get a sideways market. So instead of a clean uptrend, we may see a choppy market like this on Euro USD. So next week will be little difficult, because for in last 3-4 days, okay, we were getting some nice opportunities to trade on Euro USD and GBP USD, but the upcoming week may not be very easy for us right now. Okay, so dollars move will be very important. So market opening will be important, and if you're holding any buy or sell, you can continue with the ongoing position, both buy and sell, because if market remains sideways or choppy, you should get an exit. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously you need to stick to the levels. If DXY continues the upside, we will get to see some pressure on Euro USD. If that happens, we can look for a sell below 1.1065. Okay, we can look for a sell below this particular area. But for additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. If you see dollar index is trying to recover, then only take a sell. And if you're a swing trader, then this is not the ideal time to take any trade on Euro USD. Just my opinion here. And where is the best support on the chart of Euro USD? The next best support on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.1035. Around this particular area, okay, we can look for some support. And already we have discussed in our previous videos also, the best support, the strongest buyers are present on a 1.1000, but chances of market going to 1.1000 is very less, so let's not waste time over it. But if Euro USD shows some downside, we can look for a sell below it, and then after exiting from the sell, we can look for a buy around 1.1035 area. Okay, and if you're wondering why we are considering 1.1035, then let me show you. We are simply using FIBO here. Okay, we are having FIBO 38.2% retracement level plus some previous support around this area. And in this present market condition, we can expect the market to take support, because this is a choppy market or this. Okay, on the other hand, after the market opening, if we see euro USD going up, observe the volume plays a major role. So if market behaves like a typical Monday market, usually we don't get to see much volume during the first half of Monday. So if market behaves a normal market, we can look for a quick sell, okay, as a day trader or scalper around 1.100. Around this area we can look for a quick sell. You can already see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and most importantly the 50 moving average will be working as dynamic resistance. And the second selling opportunity for scalpers will be around 1.1112 to 1.1122. This is our second selling opportunity on the chart of Euro USD. Keep in mind these are the minor levels that will only work when the volume is low. And on Monday, the volume remains low, especially during the first half. So as a day trader, we are looking for some quick opportunities here. That's it. Otherwise, this is not an ideal chart right now for swing traders or position traders. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Market opening will be important, and stay in touch with the news. Any geopolitical event obviously will have direct impact on the chart of dollar, and market will show its reaction, okay, at the market opening. And my dear friends, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting soon from this month. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. The workshop has been designed specially for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay. And as I said, okay, this workshop is designed for those people who are struggling with the market, because these days the market or the online world is flooded with thousands of videos of smart money concept, price action, indicator based trading strategies. So it is very difficult for new traders to know what to take and what not to take. So we will only be dealing with those concepts that we need to understand to survive in the market. So we have divided the 7 classes into 2 sections. At first there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. So these are the dates here. You can see we have time left, but you can join now also. Till the workshop, you will be receiving free market updates and analysis. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. And you can see that you will also be receiving risk management guide, lot calculator sheets after the workshop. And there will be a special session for Indians, because Forex trading is little difficult in India. Okay, just to know the legal issues. And you can see that after the workshop, you will also receive 1 month support. Yes, 1 month support means you will be a part of our WhatsApp group, where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis. We also have live sessions during important events like NAP, CPI. Yes, that also we had. And you'll also be a member of our Telegram community. This is how our WhatsApp group looks like. You can see you will be receiving regular market updates, and here we had the live session yesterday, and this is how it looks like. And this is a glimpse of our Telegram community, where people interact, ask questions, share ideas. It's a lovely community for learning purpose from traders from all around the world. And you can see all the sessions will be conducted over Google Meet. And due to time difference, if you are unable to attend also, no need to worry. I record each and every session. And how to join the workshop. See, trading is a journey. Trading takes time. We all know it. Okay, so if you want a longer guidance, assistance, WhatsApp support from my side, you can go with semi-annual or lifetime, or you can simply sign up for the workshop. The best part is the fees. You can see 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. For 7 days workshop with 6 months support with 2 personal sessions to clear doubts, ask questions, it's only $80 or rupees 5000 for Indians. And for lifetime support, if you want to stay in touch with me, if you want regular updates, analysis, guidance from my side, you can go with lifetime for only $140 or rupees 9000 for Indians. Here you will be getting 6 personal sessions for learning purpose, and you'll get lifetime support from my side. Okay. And these are the payment methods. So once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's have a look on GBP USD. As we have already discussed in the previous videos also, that in comparison to Euro USD, GBP USD seems to be bullish. So if you have any buy on GBP USD, ongoing buy, you can continue with the buy, because GBP USD is looking for opportunity. Once it gets any opportunity to bounce, it will try to bounce, and it will give a bigger bounce, better bounce than Euro dollar. Okay, but we cannot deny the fact that because of the craziness here, okay, the market structure has changed. The market structure is not beautiful or clean right now. Okay, so if you have any ongoing position, you can continue. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, so here also it's better to stick to the levels. So here, if GBP USD breaks 1.3105, day traders can look for a sell below this area, and after 20-25 pips, you can observe the market around 1.3085. Okay, this can be a buy opportunity. So here the volume will be playing a major role here. As we all know, to break any level, volume plays a crucial role. So if market goes down with low volume, especially during the first half, then obviously this level of 1.3085 will be providing support to the market. But US session brings volume. So if the selling pressure is high during the US session, then it will not work, and your next support will be around 1.3035. Already we have discussed about these levels couple of times, so I do not want to waste time by explaining this, but keep your eyes on volume also. Okay, and during the day, if GBP USD tries to go up, then as a day trader we can look for a sell opportunity around 1.3160. Around this area we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level plus dynamic resistance, and we can also look for a sell around 1.3173 because of FIBO 61.50% retracement level, plus we can see resistance around this area. So as a day trader, we can look for 20-25 pip sell around these two levels as a day trader. Okay, so market opening will be important. Let's see whether the market goes up or down. We need to react accordingly. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.